I was driving down the road and came across some nice views, so I figured I'd pull up and make a little video. Ain't no one here. I guess it's kind of a crappy day out here. It's been raining and stuff. Icy day. Nice park though. Got a nice waterfall up here. People think you need to take vacations to see views like this. You don't. Oh man. What if it was warm? I would jump in there. You can tell by the trees here. I don't know if you can see the snow, but it ain't warm. Dude, this is nice. Definitely not warm out. Oh cool, this is pretty neat. You can go out there and have it chained up. Maybe it's a summertime thing or something. And I got the big truck right here. It's cruising through. All these signs that tell you about crap here, I guess. I'm just coming through. I'm just checking it out. I don't really care right now. This over here is a real nice view. We'll see in probably like 20 seconds or so. Oh man. A big white holding up. That's good. Look at that. I take vacations, but damn. You don't even need to sometimes. This is nice. Surprised there's not ice in there. It's damn near 30 degrees out here. You can see all this crap on the ground here. See the trees.